Hey, what's up, guys? It's King, and I got some new merch. Check it out. My hoodie, my hat. Cost me a little bit of money, but I like it, you know. Makes me look better, makes me look more legit. But I was trying to figure out what to put in my background, and obviously, probably not my kid, who actually runs around sometimes, but not my actual kid on a blanket, maybe. So I was thinking maybe putting, like, posters, some cool movies, cartoons, anime, maybe put Marvel stuff back here, like a shelf or something, or just buy a green screen. And I've been watching a lot of different videos and stuff like that on that, like the YouTubers, their background. There was a dude that had like guitars. I can't afford that. There were some nice guitars, but stuff like that, or just like the green screen, like I was saying. And I wonder if that makes a big difference to you guys, like when you're watching videos, if you see a little kid run past, or would you rather see a green screen type background, or you see some cool stuff back there, or will you want me to just blur out my whole background and just focus on me and the game? And I see that in a lot of YouTube videos of people saying that this is an important thing, how to have a good background and whatnot. And I mean, that's part of it. I don't think that's a big thing of it. If you're not putting out good content, you're not gonna succeed anyway. So also, it could be basically just how you position your camera. Like, does this look better, guys? Does this camera look better, like this position? Besides my kid screaming in the background trying to get in here. But yeah, like if I was playing this way and then you guys are looking up at me, you got the whole view of the logo. Kids. But you got the whole view of the logo. Tuck these in. See, and then right there, like I got rid of most of my stuff in the background, and all you got is me, and I could probably blur out some of the stuff on the sides and stuff like that. So this will probably work too. I think I'll keep it. But how could you not look at that and not want to watch that? I should just make my YouTube video or my YouTube channel just all about my kid, because she does absolutely so many cute things. It's unreal. I'm gonna have her on my lap a lot of times playing games, and I hope that's okay, because she's a daddy's girl, and she wants to be there for me and help me and support me in my time of need when I'm behind on some kills and I gotta get ahead. But hey, let me know what you think, what I should put back here, your opinions, and let me know what games you guys want me to check out or try. Indie games or anything, I don't care. I'm willing to play anything. I got new games coming out soon. You know, Cyberpunk's coming out on the 10th, so that'll be fun. I'll probably shoot some videos out with that. Let me know about Assassin's Creed. Do you have any questions about Assassin's Creed? Maybe I could put a video out that answers one of your questions. And hey, guys, do not forget to subscribe. There's a lot of viewers out there that are watching my stuff that aren't actually subscribed. Great, love it, but just please click the subscribe button, and also click the like button if you like it, and the notification button if you want to be let know the next time I post a video. All right, appreciate it, guys. Have a good one.